Welcome, I'm from the VIVO Y11s, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, all you need to do is open up Settings. From there, scroll down to Storage, right over here, and then tap on your SD card. Once it opens up, tap on the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the option to Format. Tap on it, it will give you a quick message that formatting will erase all or erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So, well, if you want to keep something from that SD card, simply back it up. If not, tap on Format SD card and simply begin the process. Now, this is a fairly quick one and only takes about like 5 seconds or so. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Tap on Done, and well, you're finished. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.